Hey Matt, this one's for you. Remember the adapter? We are at the Agua Caliente campground trying out this adapter. We're going to see how well it works with my stove. I haven't used a stove either. I have so many stoves and adapters and everything, it's kind of crazy. Let's get this stuff out of the way. I'm going to do things a little different today. And what I'm going to do is not have... Oh, there we go. I was thinking it went light for a second there. Let's give it this. It's a new stove I haven't ever used before. Give it a chance. See if we can adjust the flame down. A mild roar. Yeah! Get it down lower. It's one of the problems with the rocket types, so the simmer is next to impossible, and that's what we're going to be trying today. Because Uncle Bill is going to just do it in the can. Here we go, right on top. Maybe not. Okay, you're not going to fall over? And make sure to have gloves when you're doing something like this. And I do. We'll just cook it until it boils. I'm getting heat off of there. And I have it down to a low simmer. You can see. Here, let me bring you in closer so that you can see better. Now, I'm going to actually have to move this all the way down like this and take you down. Hey, you can see it's cooking away. Spaghetti and meatballs. Yep. Uncle Al and Matt Holbrook, this is for you, and Die Bullfrog for you also. And I guess Fraser Douglas too. Love you all. Don't try this at home. Make sure you're out somewhere in the woods where you won't burn down your house. All right. Oh, this says silverware. And I have a spoon to eat my SpaghettiOs with. Are they done yet? Let's take a little taste. Still pretty cold on top. We're getting bubbles though. That's a good sign. The other reason we're pulling some of this out of there and tasting it is, one, we're hungry, and the other thing, we don't want it to boil over. There's no way I could do this with my larger camp stove. Although it's, I don't know if you could call it a camping stove. This is more of a camping stove. Oh man, where's my other glove? There it is, right there. I purchased the adapter from AliExpress. This is a little weird to film at this angle. Won't be long before I can eat this, because it's warming up fast. So we'll stir it a little bit. Very gingerly. As we spill it, it's going to go all over the place. And that won't be fun. Almost warm enough to eat. And I bring it down a Almost done. Not trying to set any speed records because I don't want it to burn. There we go, SpaghettiOs with a fuel adapter using just butane with an adapter going to a traditional camp stove. All done. Fun to do. Give it a try. Love y'all.